Are you a photographer or you want to become a photographer, but you're thinking you don't have a studio and you don't want to spend money to rent a studio? Guys, you can start with a simple studio setup in your home and eventually upgrade to more expensive gear and a more professional studio. You don't have to start out with expensive equipment that costs thousands of dollars. So today I want to show you a simple photo studio that I have set up in my apartment, and I'm going to show you how you can get the same setup for less than $200. So for the most part, I love shooting outside, I love natural light, but I thought it was time to try some studio shots. I wanted to try different lightings and color filters, and that's why I decided to set up a little studio in my apartment. And since I don't do a lot of studio shoots, I didn't want to spend a lot of money, so I decided to start with cheaper equipment, and then eventually if I decide to get more into studio photography, I'm gonna upgrade my gear. So I just wanted to show you guys the setup and a little photo shoot behind the scenes so you can see how easy it is to have a photo studio set up at your home. So that's the setup. As you can see, we have two lights set up and the backdrop, and then a stool mainly for posing. As you can see, our apartment is not that big and we were still able to fit the setup. And in case we need to take it down, it's easy to disassemble, so we can just store it in a closet or something. So that's what I really like about it. I'm gonna link all the equipment in the description for you guys in case you want to check it out. So the stand I got on Amazon for less than $50. It's super easy to assemble, and it comes with clips to hold the backdrop, and it also comes with a bag in case you need to store it or you need to take it somewhere, so that's pretty cool. And the backdrop I got at a camera store for $40. It's 35 inches by 36 feet, so it's a little narrow, so in case you want to take whole body shots, I would recommend getting a wider one, but that one is fine for headshots and closer pictures. And then the lights, we got the newer bicolor dimmable softbox kit. We actually got that a while back, and I think it was around $170, so it was a little more expensive when we got it. But I found a softbox kit on Amazon that looks pretty much exactly the same for only $90, so I would highly recommend checking that one out. It has pretty much the same features. You can adjust the brightness so you can get the perfect lighting, and you can also change the color temperature. And here's a little behind the scenes of our photo shoot. So what I love about this setup is that it's so easy to disassemble. So in case you wanted to shoot at somebody else's house, you could easily disassemble it and just bring it to the location. So you basically have the stand, then the backdrop and the lights. Both the lights and the stand come with bags so you can carry it, and the backdrop is also easy to roll up, and then you can bring that as well. And I love that you can switch out the backdrop. So right now we only have a black one, but I'm definitely gonna get some different colors so we can have different kind of shoots. Yeah, so that's it, you guys. I hope you liked the video. I hope this was helpful, and maybe you're gonna decide to set up a studio in your home. If you liked the video and you want to see more photography tips in the future, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.